Let's learn about the Chinese character 我. Here is how it is written, along with its pinyin and meaning. The character 我 is pronounced as 我. Let's look at its traditional form and meaning. Its definition is I, me, my, our, us. Now, let's see how to write 我 step by step. Watch the stroke order animation to understand how each part is drawn. 撇横竖钩提斜钩撇点Let's break down 我 into its components and radicals. Understanding its structure helps us remember how to write and recognize it. This is a ideographic character. The character 我 is made of 手 meaning hand and 戈 meaning spear. Memory hint, a hand 提 holding a weapon 戈. Here are some common words and phrases that use 我. Listen to their pronunciation and meaning to expand your vocabulary. 我 pronounced 我三 means I mean my. The character 我 is related to other Chinese characters. Let's explore these connections and see how they share components or meanings. Here are example sentences using 我. Listen to how it is used in context to improve your understanding and fluency. 我的狗比你的小。我的狗比你的小。我要些读的东西。我要些读的东西。Tom 对我很好。Tom 对我很好。我问了他一条问题。我问了他一条问题。想要我的东西。想要我的东西。Let's look at 我 in different historical and artistic styles, from ancient scripts to modern handwriting. Oracle bone from 1600 to 1046 BCE. Ancient Chinese script carved on turtle shells and ox bones for divination rituals. Bronze script from 1046 to 256 BCE. Elegant script cast on bronze ritual vessels and ceremonial objects. Seal script from 221 to 206 BCE. Standardized script used for official seals and imperial documents during the Qin dynasty. Clerical script from 206 BCE to 220 CE. Practical script developed for administrative documents with flattened and widened strokes. Cursive script from Han Dynasty period. Flowing script where strokes connect for rapid writing, popular among scholars and poets. Regular script from Wei to Jin period. Standard script with balanced proportions, still used in modern Chinese printing and formal writing. Modern handwriting from contemporary period. Contemporary handwritten style used in everyday writing with personal variations and simplified forms. Thank you for learning about the character. Been with us. If you enjoyed this lesson, please support us and stay tuned for more.